Alright, welcome to Pbteck, and in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can actually run your dstv installation-wizard on a Zappa decoder if you are in Kenya. Alright, so anytime you turn on your decoder for the first time, this will be the first page that will be on it. But to proceed and scan to get your channels, you first have to get a stable signal from the satellite dish before you can even go ahead to set up the decoder. So without having a stable signal, you can't actually do anything on the decoder. So if you are trying to set up without having a signal, you just have to get a signal before you can proceed. So on the first page you have language option right here. So you need to select your language. So you're gonna go with the English option right there. So the satellite, we have different satellite options. When you switch on for the first time, there will be a different satellite on it. So you have to change it to the E36D since you are living in Kenya. So E36D, and you press OK to proceed. So on this page, you need to come down. You have quick setup and manual setup. You need to select the second one, which is manual setup, and you press OK to proceed. And on this page, you have the LND type. So with the LND type, since it's a Zappa 8 decoder, it normally comes along with a universal LND. So normally they want to install it with a universal LND. And if in case they install it with a unique cable LND, you have to change the LND type to the unique cable TM/SASI tab, and you press OK to scan. So come down here, you have some scan option right there. So when you press the scan option, you're gonna find out that there is some signal stickers on the right side of the page, which actually indicate that, as you can see, there is some blue tips in the box, which indicate that there is some signal on the decoder. So when you reach the step and there is nothing showing on this page, you're going to change the LND type to the unique cable TM and then check whether that will give you some signal over there. If that one doesn't give you anything, then you change it back to the universal and make sure that you're having a signal from your satellite dish. So you come down to the scan option and make sure that you're having a signal from the satellite dish, whether the problem might be from the signal cable or the satellite dish in a hole. Alright, so you press OK to proceed after getting a signal indication being shown in this box. Okay, so you press OK to scan. So if it happens to be a new decoder with no activation, after scanning you can't unlock the channels without calling the dstv office. So you have to call the dstv office, and then you provide them with the IUC number or the serial number of the decoder, and they will do the activation right there for you. So you're gonna find the smart card number at the back of the decoder box or the decoder in general, or you can go through to the menu, look for help, general information, and you're gonna find the IUC number of the decoder over there. So you call them, you submit the IUC number, and they will do the activation right there for you. If you find this video for anyone new here, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, share, and then come back for more. Thanks for watching.